Hey folks, NVIDIA released Chat with RTX. Is a kind of ChatGPT but for local installation, so all your data will be private. Let's take a look at the system requirements. And as you can see, it will work on Windows, and you will need the GeForce 3 or 4 series card with at least 8 gigabytes of RAM, and you will need 16 gigabytes of 8 gigabytes of VRAM, and you will need 16 and up gigabytes of RAM. And also it will work on Windows 11, and you probably need just the latest version of GeForce driver. So to download it, just head over to NVIDIA. I will put the link to the chat under the video and click download. It's quite huge zip file, about 35 gigabytes already downloaded and instructed. So here's the downloaded file. It's, as I said, 36 gigabytes and I already extracted it. So let's go there and then go there and just click setup. Let's agree and continue. Next. And now it should download everything like models and some additional files, so it will take a while. From the presentation or other videos I saw that people mentioned that you need to wait about 20-30 minutes based on your connection and how fast your PC is. So let's just wait. I will speed up the video and show you what will be next. Finally, after some time, I think it took me an hour or something, everything was installed successfully, and by default the check mark is enabled to launch Chat with RTX application, but also it created a shortcut at my desktop. So let's just close it and run it. Okay, finally I see the request from Python to allow external access, and need to click allow. And guess now we also need to wait until everything is downloaded. That's what I heard from other people. So now it will be downloading some other models or some other stuff. Finally everything was downloaded, and as you can see, everything is 100%, and this website opened and I can start writing. So it not usually is UX effective or good, because the chat with RTX is at the bottom of the page. So initially I didn't understand like where I should type, but here it is. And let me ask something like, let's say, who is the like Mike Jordan. Let's see. Okay. Not as good as I expected, but let's see. Do you know? Maybe the other way. Okay, so it's just looking at its own data set, so probably it doesn't know anything beyond that. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's the way to change the directory with dataset. Just wanted to copy paste, and then maybe oops, no, it didn't copy once again. So let's see and ask something, whatever. Let's first file. Let's ask with what version of DLSS Icarus was available. So with what version is available? Let's see. Yep, that's what I was asked and what I was opening. So Icarus, let's see if this is that file. No, dataset, yeah, DLSS Icarus DLSS 2, whatever is infinitum. So okay, looks like it's just able to parse files that you have and answer. But also I heard that I should be able to get the YouTube video kind of summary or ask about what was in the video. It's not as like real summarization, or basically you need to have subtitles in that video. And let's go to my web channel and see if I will be able to ask anything about the video I posted about Ubuntu upgrade. So let's see. And give it to YouTube URL. So here is the URL, and then send. Actually, sorry, no, I should click download transcripts first. So I hope it was downloaded, and then let's ask which version I'm talking about. Of Ubuntu. Let's say provided video. My English is not perfect, so sorry for that. Not as correct, because the title is upgrade to Ubuntu 23.10, but at least it was telling what I was telling in the video, that you can upgrade from Ubuntu 18 to 12 using GUI, and then there were additional steps, or kind of more advanced way how to update to 23.10. And by the way, I will be creating a new video about how to upgrade to 24.04, which will be released in a couple of months on April, and it will be new LTS version, but this not the topic of the video. I mean that this one. And the last test I wanted to test with this chat with RTX is my own data set. So what I want to do is to point it to my own project URL to source code of my website, because current limitation of any chatbots and I don't know, even Google IDX released I think it's called Project IDX, but still, if I go there, something like Google IDX, it will telling me that it's still in beta, and sorry, you need an invite here, and okay, it's developer, so Google.com IDX, I think that was the URL. Sorry, now that Google IDX once again. So yeah, second link, sorry. And as you can see, join whitelist, explore IDX. But why I wanted to get there, because this ID allow it to open a project is in kind of web-based environment, and also it is capable of looking at the several files and making suggestions, because there is no chatbot now that can analyze the whole project. And with this NVIDIA RTX or chat with RTX, I want to play around and try to feed my whole folder with my website source code and ask something. So usually it will take some time, but let me try. So it should be folder path, and then repos, blog, select, and now I think it will take some time, so I will stop the video once again and wait until it will parse the file or folder, everything, read everything. I'm not sure if it's gonna work, because as you can see it says only TXT, PDF and doc files are supported. I don't think it's gonna work, but yeah, maybe I will try to convert some of my files into PDFs, and I'll let you know. So I decided to switch back to the original dataset directory, because I realized that in my website there is no doc, txt or PDF files, and it will take forever to go over all files and index that and generate some hashes. So what I decided to do is just to put one quite long PDF file, which is a book, and as you can see, it's almost 250 pages, and I'm currently on page 273. And there is a phrase which I want to test on. In the 1981, there were 4,520 active oil drilling rigs in the US, and this is what I want to ask for and check if it will be able to understand the whole context of the book, because main limitation of ChatGPT is that I can't give it the whole book. I mean, I need to pay and hope that it will able to analyze the whole book with 350 pages instead of just cutting and giving in small pieces like one paragraph or 10 pages or even less. So let's see. And I want to reformulate like this. So how many active oil drilling rigs sorry, how many active drilling were in the US in 1981. Okay, and let's ask that way. Nice. So this is, by the way, a really nice book. It's really casual because my channel is about investing, DevOps, and some AI stuff, and I really recommend that one. So I probably put the link under the video. This is a really great book. You can buy it on Amazon, and yeah. So as you can see, it can go as far away as 200 something pages, and find that number for me, so I can really give really long PDFs and ask to analyze them and give me some answers. And yeah, I think that's enough for today. That should conclude my first experience with ChatGPT. Sorry, Chat with RTX. I think it will take me some time to call it the other way, but yeah, I hope the next step would be, or kind of improvement, maybe add more models, or maybe like more supported files like JavaScript files or Python files. But I think this is just the beginning, because I saw that Mistral is also making some progress, so we will see in the future maybe more specialized models that is able to analyze just code. So maybe it will be just as a model that is specific to the programming. And yep, that's it, and see you in the next video. Ciao.